Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Temu $100 gift coupon. Please keep in mind that if it's the same coupon we're talking about, it is only for new users, and that is, I believe, within an hour of downloading the app, so get on it fast. So the first thing you want to do is obviously select an item that you want. So we've got these foam panels. And then we need to click on the right here on checkout. Okay, I need to pick something else so I can get to the order minimum. Okay, and just for context, $100 is about 1,000 something rand. So what you want to do is here under order summary, we can put in our discount coupon code, and then the apply option will appear next to it, and we'll hit that and it'll apply our discount and we can submit the order. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.